Hi, this is Monica of Knitted Wishes. In this video I'm going to show you another way of purling stitches. The usual way is to purl stitches this way, but I often find that purling stitches this way produces neater stitches and is much faster, especially when knitting long sections of stockinette or when working on ribbing. The only difference is that when you get to the right side of the work, your stitches will be positioned differently. And I will show you in a second. And here's the right side of the fabric. And you can see that the knit stitches, instead of being positioned this way on the needle, are positioned this way on the needle. So I'm just going to knit these through the back. Thank you for watching.